There is absolutely nothing like a big weekend brunch full of all your favorite breakfast foods. One of those favorites has to be pancakes, waffles, French toast, crepes, oatmeal, or maybe all of the above. Whatever you pick, it will be better with plenty of maple syrup.
Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best maple syrup. So let's get started. Number 1. Escuminac Canadian Maple Syrup. The extra rare maple syrup is Escuminac's best-selling flavor, and it's easy to see, or taste, why. The organic maple syrup, which has a light delicate flavor that makes you want to drink it straight from the bottle, comes from a single forest and is harvested and bottled at a maple farm in Escuminac, Quebec. Point for it's truly pure and never blended with any other maple syrup or any artificial ingredients. If you like darker maple syrup, Escuminac also offers Great Harvest, which is harvested in the same way but later in the year to give it a richer, more robust flavor. Number 2. Butternut Mountain Farm. There's no doubt that pure maple syrup is delicious, but some of the higher-end options can be cost-prohibitive, especially if you're someone who likes to drench your pancakes every Sunday. That's where Butternut Mountain Farm's maple syrup comes in. Located in Vermont, the Marvin family has been producing and selling local syrup for 40 years. Butternut Mountain found a way to provide the rich taste of its 100% pure Vermont amber color maple syrup that won't ruin any kind of flapjack, without sacrificing quality. It also comes in a convenient squeeze bottle so any and/or every inch of pancakes are covered, and there won't be any huge messes to clean up. Number 3. Livlo Sugar-Free Keto Maple Syrup. Pure maple syrup doesn't contain any added sugar, so to get sugar-free maple syrup you'll have to settle for an option that is less natural. This one from Livlo only contains 2 ingredients, though, while others use quite a few to mimic the original taste. 2 tablespoons of the allulose and natural maple flavor mixture has 15 calories and 1 gram of net carbs for anyone following a keto diet. This sugar-free maple syrup isn't as thick as the real thing, but certainly gets the job done if 0 grams of sugar is the target. Number 4. Runamok Maple. If you're not really sure what kind of maple syrup you like, or you're looking for a great gift for someone, your search ends with the Runamok Maple Pantry Favorites collection. The set includes 4 2-ounce bottles of Runamok's best-selling organic Vermont maple syrups, ginger root, infused, bourbon barrel-aged, cinnamon and vanilla infused, and its traditional amber color syrup, which is called Sugarmaker's Cut. The company also offers more outside-the-box sets that include flavors like coffee-infused, hibiscus flower, and elderberry-infused. As an added bonus, Runamok is big on sustainability. All of its syrups are certified organic by the Northeastern Organic Farmers Association and bird-friendly by the National Audubon Society. Number 5. Brien Maple Butter. You can make your own maple butter at home, but Brien's option comes in a large jar and is smooth and spreadable without needing to get the electric mixer out. It's produced in Quebec from 100% real maple syrup and without any additives, preservatives, or taste or color enhancers, and also contains no dairy. In fact, the only ingredient is maple syrup. That was our list of the top 5 best maple syrup, just for you.